Hello guys, I'm Dia and welcome to Freshers Camp. Hope you guys are doing great. So we are back with another opportunity, that is the Zoom Recruitment 2020 work from home. But before that, I want to tell you something about our channel. We provide updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other opportunities present here. We also provide some of the materials for campus placements and government jobs. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you do not miss any of the updates from our channel. So, Zoom hires candidates for the role of system administrator and it is a work from home job. Eligibility is BTech, any graduate degree, and salary is as per industry standards. The ideal candidate will have qualification and experience in planning, management operations and infrastructure, including experience planning and executing site deployments, ability to communicate technical and non-technical staff, familiar with system hardening and server security, ability to install and configure open source application, etc. You can find a detailed information about the skills required in the apply link given below in the description. Now, the position will have the responsibilities of working with lead engineers, establishing and performing with release management processes, participating in a part of 24/7 on-call rotation, etc. Now again, you will find this list of responsibilities and detailed information about this in the link given below in description. Now guys, I will share my screen from my laptop to show you how to apply for this application. Again, all the eligible and interested candidates can apply for this company. So guys, we have come to this page of Zoom Recruitment 2020 Work from Home BTech any graduate degree. Don't worry for the link as it will be given on the description. Now moving forward to apply for the application. Okay, now these are some of the important things. You need to copy the company name, website and job location, position, eligibility criteria and all that. You can view here and now scroll down and just simply apply in this apply link and just simply click here. So this Zoom career page will open in front of you and just simply apply in this apply button. These are the following steps you need to follow. That is, at first upload a CV of yours that will be in the format of docx, HTML, PDF or TXT, any of the things you can follow here. Then select files from here and then attach a CV. Now next, it is given my information. You can fill your information here, like giving the country name, then legal name of yours and family name. Now just slide down. Here are the few more information like local given name, local family name and address, line, postal card, city, email address you have to fill here. Then the phone extension and how did you hear about us, you have to fill here. And there is again something, have you ever previously been employed by Zoom, that you have to put yes or no. Now next. Now here you have to add your work experience, okay, and then education, and then you have to add your skills here, the resume again or CV and the website you have to add. Now here are some of the application questions. You have to read the questions and select one of the answers from here. Here are some of the voluntary disclosures. That is the terms and condition. You have to read it all and then you have to click in this button. Now finally this information of yours has been given here. You have to review it. Just see it whether it is correct or not, the whole thing, and finally submit. So that are the simple steps you need to follow for the submission of your application in Zoom Recruitment 2020. Thank you. So guys, these were the simple steps you need to follow for the company application. And now do not forget to share, comment, like in this channel, and do not forget to subscribe.